Hey, space cadets, get ready for blast off. We're going on an intergalactic journey to explore the most mind-blowing space facts that will have you feeling like you're floating among the stars. From supernovae to black holes, we've got 20 amazing discoveries that will blow your mind. So buckle up and prepare to be starstruck. These are 20 amazing space facts that will blow your mind. Number 20. Silence of the stars. Have you ever noticed how silent space seems? Well, that's because there is nowhere to carry sound. Without a medium to travel through, sound waves simply cannot exist in the vacuum of space. So while we may hear the roar of a spaceship in the movies, the reality is that space is completely silent. Number 19. Longer than its year. Did you know that on Venus, a day is longer than its year? On this scorching hot planet, a day can last up to 243 Earth days, while its orbit around the Sun takes only 225 Earth days. That means that Venus rotates so slowly that its longest day is still shorter than its orbital period. Talk about a mind-bending fact. Number 18. The tallest mountain. If you thought Mount Everest was tall, wait until you hear about Olympus Mons. Located on Mars, this massive shield volcano is the tallest mountain in the solar system, standing at a whopping 22,000 meters high. That's 3 times the height of Mount Everest. Just imagine standing at the base of this colossal peak and looking up at its snow-capped summit. You'd feel like you were on another planet. Number 17. Sugar cube. Have you ever wondered what a sugar cube would weigh if it were made of pure neutronium? Well, a recent study by an international team of astronomers has found that just 1 teaspoon of a neutron star would weigh about 6 billion tons on Earth. That's right. A tiny cube of this exotic matter could be heavier than an aircraft carrier. Number 16. Not a hole. Despite their name, black holes are not actually holes. They are extremely dense objects with gravity so strong that not even light can escape their grasp. Anything that ventures too close to a black hole gets pulled in by its immense gravity and disappears forever. But don't worry, you're safe. Black holes are rare and far between, so you probably won't stumble upon one anytime soon. Number 15. Ice and rock. Saturn's rings may look like solid structures, but they are mostly made of ice and rock. These icy giants are just 10 meters thick in some places and are so delicate that a human could easily shatter them with a hammer. However, these fragile rings are over 300,000 kilometers wide and have been a source of fascination for astronomers since their discovery. Number 14. Size of the galaxy. The Milky Way galaxy is truly mind-boggling in size. With a diameter of over 100,000 light-years, it would take a spaceship traveling at the speed of light over 100,000 years to cross. Luckily, our solar system is located near the center of the galaxy, so we only have to travel 23,000 light-years to reach the center of the Milky Way. There, a supermassive black hole known as Sagittarius A resides. It weighs over 4 million times the mass of our Sun and keeps our solar system in check with its powerful gravity. Number 13. More than grains. Did you know that there are more stars in the universe than grains of sand on all Earth's beaches combined? Astronomers estimate that there could be as many as 100 trillion stars in the observable universe, each with its own planetary system. Meanwhile, the number of grains of sand on Earth's beaches is estimated to be around 7.5 trillion. That means that the number of stars in the universe is at least 13 times greater than the number of grains of sand on Earth. Number 12. Grow taller. One of the many strange things that happen to the human body in space is that you can grow taller. That's because spinal compression, which occurs when you're standing up and walking around on Earth, is reduced when you're in a zero-gravity environment. When you're in space, your spine can decompress and stretch out, leading to an increase in height. On average, astronauts can grow an inch or two while in space, but once they return to Earth, the pressure of gravity compresses their spine back down to their normal height. Number 11. Footprints. If you ever visit the moon, you'll want to keep your eyes peeled for some very special footprints. That's because the footprints left by astronauts on the lunar surface will stay there for millions of years. Unlike on Earth where wind and water erosion can erase footprints in a matter of seconds, on the Moon, footprints are permanent. The lack of atmosphere and liquid water means that there is no erosion on the Moon's surface, preserving the footprints of early astronauts for future generations to marvel at. Number 10. Coldest place. Are you looking for the coldest place in the universe? Look no further than the Boomerang Nebula located 500 million light-years away from Earth. This strange object is known as a supernova remnant and has been the subject of much scientific study due to its extreme cold. The Boomerang Nebula has a temperature of just 1 Kelvin, which is close to absolute zero. This makes it the coldest place known in the universe. Number 9. The Great Red Spot. If you could zoom in on Jupiter and take a closer look at its iconic Great Red Spot, you would be met with a sight that is both mesmerizing and terrifying. The Great Red Spot is a massive storm that has been raging on Jupiter for at least 350 years. This gigantic high-pressure area is so large that Earth could fit inside it with room to spare. The storm's winds can reach speeds of up to 618 kilometers per hour, and it has been raging since before Galileo Galilei discovered it in 1610. Number 8. Neutron Star. A neutron star is a highly dense object that forms after a massive star goes supernova. These celestial objects are so dense that a single teaspoon of neutron star material can weigh billions of pounds on Earth. In fact, a neutron star can be as heavy as 6 billion tons. To put that into perspective, an adult African elephant weighs about 6 tons. So a single teaspoon of neutron star material can weigh the same as over 1 million elephants. Number 7. Observable Universe. The observable universe is vast, spanning 93 billion light-years across. Within this enormous expanse lies everything that humans can currently see, including galaxies, stars, nebulae, and planets. However, this is only a small part of the entire universe, which may extend infinitely. Scientists use the observable universe as a reference point for their studies, but it is important to remember that there is much more out there beyond what we can currently see. Number 6. Exoplanet. Some scientists believe that there could be more than 100 billion planets just in our Milky Way galaxy. With so many potential worlds out there, it's possible that we are not alone in the universe. The search for extraterrestrial life has captured the imagination of humans for centuries, and the discovery of any alien species would be a groundbreaking event. Number 5. Sun's color. Did you know that the sun is actually white? Although it may appear yellow from Earth, this is only because of our atmosphere scattering blue light and making the sun look more orange during sunrise and sunset. When viewed from space, the sun appears white, which is the result of combining all colors of visible light. Number 4. Glass rain. Some exoplanets experience sideways glass rain, and you won't want to be caught in one of those storms. These sideways glass raindrops can reach thousands of miles per hour and are caused by strong winds blowing over a frozen lava ocean. The combination of intense heat and strong winds creates the perfect condition to turn solid matter into liquid and cause it to rain sideways. Talk about a wild weather phenomenon. Number 3. How far away? How far is space really from us? Well, according to NASA, space begins about 62 miles or 100 kilometers from Earth's surface. At this altitude, the atmosphere becomes so thin that spacecraft need to be launched to reach it. It may seem hard to believe that space is so close to us, but it's true. Number 2. The Hubble Telescope. Over the past 3 decades, the Hubble Space Telescope has revolutionized our understanding of the cosmos. Launched in 1990, this iconic telescope has captured stunning images of galaxies, nebulae, and other celestial objects. It has also helped discover thousands of galaxies and new planets. As one of the most important space science projects of the 20th century, the Hubble telescope continues to make groundbreaking discoveries that expand our knowledge of the universe. Number 1. Neutrinos. Did you know that tiny particles called neutrinos pass through your body every second? These subatomic particles are so small that they can pass through solid objects like lead and walls without being detected. In fact, trillions of neutrinos pass through your body every second, but you don't notice them because they have no electric charge and are incredibly difficult to detect. Neutrinos are one of the most abundant particles in the universe, but they remain one of the least understood. Their mysterious nature continues to baffle scientists, and it is likely that neutrinos will play a key role in unlocking the secrets of the universe. Well, there you have it, 20 amazing space facts that will blow your mind. From the mind-boggling size of the Milky Way to the strange weather on exoplanets, there is so much to marvel at when it comes to space. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button if you enjoyed this video and want to see more like it. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time for more exciting journeys through the cosmos.